June 21, 12:30. So in 2023 August 18, this battery was replaced. Now the car doesn't crank because the battery has aged. It has reached its usefulness, so we gotta replace it. So not even 2 years, the battery is no longer able to crank the vehicle. So in the Philippines, whatever battery you want to buy, they don't last long. That's what I noticed. Not even 2 years. This one I thought would last 2 years, but it isn't. So now I gotta charge it. So we're going to replace this with Yokohama. Apparently it'll last 3 years. So we're going to replace the Amaron with Yokohama. So we have a brand new Yokohama battery. Should last 3 years. Thanks for watching.